Find out if a Python script is running in idle or terminal/command prompt. Is there a way to find out if the Python script is running in the idle interpreter or the terminal? Works cross-platform if possible, or if needed a different way for each platform. Work with Python 2 and Python 3 if possible, or if needed a different way for each version. The only way I could think of is checking the processes running for idle, but I don't know how to do that right. If idle is open for another script and my script is running in the terminal, a process check would return true even if my script is not running in the idle. My script needs to run differently depending on if it is running in idle or a terminal.
This seems to work on Python 3/Linux. It will return true if the script is run from idle, false otherwise. Please test for other combination of Python/OS.